What is up, guys? Welcome back to Just a Viewers Pool. Alright guys, so today I am going to be doing a part 3, kind of like sequel to the slime in the pool. But this time I'm going to be using piping bags because last time I did a video on doing making slime with piping bags. It was the coolest thing ever. It was way cooler than I expected. So you get a bowl, you put water in it, and then you put some glue in the piping bags and you just squish it in there, and it looks so freaking cool because the glue kind of still stays in like a little line thing. So I was thinking, what if we do it inside the pool, since like the pool has water, and so like the piping bags, and maybe it'll work better than like other things, so you know anyway, so yeah, and today's my job to be trying to press the like button with your you guys have to hold your breath, press the like button, and then comment what is your favorite type of slime, and yeah. And then you let go of a breath. And you guys make sure you comment down below, hashtag I did it if you were able to do it. And let's get straight on into the video. Alright guys, so I think we are ready to start. So basically, let me just give you my little slime plan right here. So I have this glass bowl right here. These are the activators. This time, instead of using borax, we're gonna be using liquid starch and Tide, because Tide and liquid starch have like a thicker consistency, so maybe it'll like fall in more or something. I don't know, but hopefully. And then we have this glass bowl because hopefully we're thinking that maybe it will like sink more. So let's just go ahead and see really quick. Yes, you can do this, guys! Whoa, that really sings. That is awesome. Okay, I feel like this one's gonna do real good, guys. Okay, they're gonna get the piping bags. We're gonna have 2 rounds. We're gonna have a unicorn round. It hit the wall. Anyways, we're gonna have a unicorn round and a regular round. So we have a whole bunch of those. We're gonna try that out. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it's gonna work. I hope it does because I really, really want it to work. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Seems like the liquid starch might do better than the Tide. I thought the Tide would be thicker, but it seems like the liquid starch may be thicker. I don't know, but who knows? I'm gonna try Tide first because Tide is a little bit stronger than the liquid starch. And also the scissors sink too. Let's go. Okay, we got it snipped. We snipped the glue. Alright, let's do this. Guys, I did it. I put the glue down there. It kind of just is a big blob now, but it worked. The glue is not mixing with anything, and I think we're on to something here, guys. All right, next color is orange. All right, let's do this again. I hope it works. I did it, guys. I feel like that type was a lot better. I feel like we could do better on the... One second. I feel like we could do better on the next attempt. I really want to try and like kind of snip the piping bag and put the piping thing, the glue, inside the bowl at the same time before running out of breath. So I really hope I can do it. I don't know if I can, but we're going to try. All right, next color is yellow. It's crazy, guys, because the glue doesn't mix with the water. All right, let's do this again. Guys, we did it again. I don't know why, but I am so excited that this is actually working because it is so freaking cool to see all the colors there because it's like actually working. So honestly, I wouldn't recommend making slime in your pool, but like maybe if this works out, maybe. But all right, so the next color is gonna be green. I am just so happy, guys, that this is working. Put my goggles on. I did everything a lot quicker. I'm getting better. Next color is blue. I am so happy, guys. The glue is not mixing with the water at all. I'm just, what's gonna happen when we try and activate it? All right. For some reason, a lot of water keeps going in my nose. I keep having to get up, but anyways, we did it. I think I'm fine now. Now we're gonna go ahead and do pink. We did it, guys, we did it. Okay guys, so it is time to activate these slimes now. I am scared. Honestly, I don't know if I should use the liquid starch or the Tide. The liquid starch like sinks more, like it seems like it's heavier. So I don't know. I have no idea. I think I'm gonna use Tide though, because it's like stronger. Alright, let's do this. Hopefully it does good. I'm gonna try and like get a lot out because it seems like the water like melts the slime a lot. So I'm gonna try and really get it in there. But guys, let's go ahead and try this. Yeah, alright, let's do this. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so I put the Tide and I put a lot and it doesn't start fogging up a lot. I think it's because the Tide, the pressure kind of like made the glue go everywhere. So anyways, I put a lot of Tide. It seems like the Tide kind of just completely melted. So either I'm gonna put a lot more Tide or I have to get some borax or I have to use some liquid starch. Who knows? I'm gonna go ahead and put a lot more Tide, like a lot more. I'm gonna try and we'll see what happens. Alrighty guys, we're gonna go ahead and try and check on what's going down there. I think it went a lot better because it kind of made like a little bubble. So let's try that again. Alright. So I think we need to put like a lot more Tide. So let's try that. Okay guys, I'm trying to put a lot of Tide down there, but it's really hard. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, activate it under. The only way it could be activated under, guys, is if I like really overactivate it. I'm not sure if that's possible with Tide, but I'm trying. My ears are starting to hurt. Okay, I'm going down again. Guys, we did it. We made the slime. I made the slime. This is the slime I made underwater. It didn't really make completely because every time I was like this, a layer of the slime would kind of like melt away in the water, and it's really dirty now, which really sucks, but whatever. But it worked, guys. I am so happy. Look at the slime. It's like not even bad. Like, look at that. But like, look at that. Whoa, this is so cool. We made slime. Oh my god. Yeah, okay, so there's a lot more glue in the bowl, but I think I'm just gonna bring it up and I'm gonna make it up here because I don't want to dirty the water anymore, because I want to do another round. As we do the unicorn round, we put unicorn colors. I also put some glitter inside the glue, so I'm gonna try that. But yeah, we're gonna try another round, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring the bowl up and see what I want to see. Also what's going on in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour the water out really quick over here outside of the pool. All right, here's what we're working with, guys. So let's see. It looks cool still, like it's not too bad. Oh, it's activating. Wow. Okay, so guys, it activates. It's just the water. I feel like the chlorine in the water, you know, I feel like it like melts it. So like it's really hard to activate underwater. But I cannot believe that I actually made this slime underwater. That is crazy. Okay guys, we waited for the pool to clear up a little bit. It's still kind of foggy, but we're gonna do it anyways. So let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Yo, 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 yo. Now I think it's time just to put all the glue down there. I placed everything on the bottom of the pool. Let's get started. Next Last color is gonna be yellow, I think. All right. So that one looks really cool. I accidentally made the hole really small, but it looks really cool. Although I'm not sure if it's gonna mix with all the colors now. So it might mix with the water now, so I don't know. All right, let's do this again. I think next color is gonna be blue. Last color, guys, is actually a two-color one. I put pink and blue inside a piping bag, and it has sparkles in it too, so it's gonna look really, really cool. I'm really excited for that one, so I saved it for last. So let's do this. In case you guys didn't see it underwater, here's how it looks, kind of. It looked really, really cool, especially the sparkles. So yeah. Alright guys, I guess it's time to activate. I don't know if we should use liquid starch. Try and use liquid starch this time. Or we should use Tide. I want to try and use liquid starch just because it's kind of an experiment. So let's do this. Alright, hopefully it works. Okay, this is how much we put, guys. I think that's a pretty good amount. I think we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and try and grab it and start making the slime. I think we put a good amount, but let's go. Again. There's no point in making it under there, guys. It just like fogs up everything. But anyways, here it is. Look at, we made the slime. Oh my god, this is crazy, guys. I love this. I just have to knead it a little bit, but like, we made slime, guys. Look at this. This is crazy. I think that came on me when I was making it in the water. It's kind of jiggly, guys. So, see that? It's kind of like, it's thick but jiggly, which is the weirdest thing ever, Paul. What do you think, Paul?
Looks really awesome. It's
really good though. Like, it actually turned out to a pretty cool color. I like the color. You can't really see the sparkles that much, but they look cool still. So yeah, all right, let's go ahead and go and get the bowl from down there and see what's going on. Here it is, guys. Here's how it looks. It looks really cool on the bottom. Alrighty, guys, so here's how it looks. It looks so freaking cool. Although it makes it on the top, you can look on the bottom. It looks really nice. So yeah. It looked cooler before, but it kind of mixed. Anyways, here's how it is. Let's go ahead and activate it. Alright guys, here's how it is. It's really cool because it's like super jiggly, but like really thick, and it's really nice. I really like the texture. I think this worked out pretty good, guys. This challenge worked out pretty good. I think other people should try this, making slime in their pool with piping bags. Best thing ever. It is so cool to see like the glue go into the bowl and it doesn't mix, and it's like so awesome. And yeah, I love it so much. I just can't with it. It's so awesome. Alright guys, you guys comment down below because we do a part 2 to the sequel of the slime in the pool. But that is it. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye!